In this video, I'll reveal the top-rated Chase credit cards specifically designed for beginners. So without any further ado, let's dive in and find out. On number 1, we have Chase Freedom Unlimited. With this card, you earn 1.5% on most purchases. Plus, it even offers an extra 1.5% in the first year, which can really add up. Moreover, it has no annual fee, which is a big win if you're new to managing credit. Additionally, this card is also helpful if you're looking to build credit while getting something back on your spending. On number 2, we have Chase Freedom Flex. This card is a solid choice if you like earning extra on rotating categories. You'll earn 5% on quarterly categories like gas, groceries, or dining, which is perfect for adding extra value on everyday expenses. It also offers 3% cashback at restaurants and drugstores all year round, making it a versatile option. With no annual fee, it's another great option for keeping costs down while building up rewards and understanding how credit cards work. On number 3, we have Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card. While this card does come with a $95 annual fee, beginners benefit from its simple yet powerful rewards program. You'll get 2x points on dining and travel, and a 5x on travel booked through Chase. The flexibility to redeem points for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards program and even transfer them to partners like Southwest or Hyatt makes it a powerful card if you're looking to explore travel rewards down the line. Overall, with these cards, Chase offers flexible and user-friendly perks, which can make learning about credit cards a smoother experience, all while earning rewards. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.